Hey guys, it's me, Trace, with Refurbish in the Middle. I won't be able to see ya because I wanted you to be able to see this. I thought what I do, I've already done the outside of it, but I was gonna do this, the Junkyard Goddess, her new hemp oil. So I thought I would just go ahead and do a video so you could see how easy it is. Let's just squirt it in my cup. I'm just happen to be using this brush. I just grabbed it, so. And that's all you have to do. And this is your sealer, your protector of your paint. If you're not using your wax, hemp oil is all you need to use. So, but you just, you use according to how your furniture is going to be used. But I thought I'd just get on here and talk about it. This is the hemp oil. It's all natural. I like the smell of it. And you can put it on with a rag too. You don't have to use a brush. For this particular look, I'm using a brush. I like this. I've done this before in a blue and it looked like denim. So I thought I would take two of the Junkyard Goddesses color, the two purples, and just blend them together all over. And then I sand it a little, and then I'm going over it with my hemp oil. I am gonna let it sit for several days, real good, let it sit, and then I'm probably gonna put some gold leafing on it. You certainly can gold leaf over top of your oil, but you have to let it cure. So I usually leave mine like I'm doing it right now. I just make sure everything got a good covering, and I'll leave it like this. And when I come back tomorrow, I'll take a rag. Most of it'll be, it'll be sopped up. But once it dries, this will be a little darker too. So you can see, I hope you can see here, I've sanded. You can see some of the natural wood. I'm gonna put some gold leafing or something on here because it just needs something. But I'm gonna have to let the wax cure. But I thought this would be good to get on and just show you in a quick video how easy it is to wax. That's all you have to do. Good for your hands too. My hands are really good. So don't be, you don't have to wear gloves or anything. And that's it, and I'm just gonna let it sit, and I've done the whole box, and I'm gonna get the feet and stuff on it, and then I'll go ahead and post it. All right, till the next time.